Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add UPI payment gateway on WooCommerce. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we need to search in here for a particular plugin. So search in here for UPI payment. Once you have searched for this, you should be able to see some search results related to this search right here. So let's just head over and search for this one. Once you have done that, you can see this right here. You can see this UPI QR code payment gateway for WooCommerce. So let's head over and click on this install right here. As you can see, it requires the WooCommerce plugin, and don't worry because I already have this activated on my site once I head over and then succeeded or subscribe to their plan. Click on this activate right here, and then it should be able to be activated. Next thing you need to do is we need to head over right here to our settings and then head over to WooCommerce. Once you click on that, you just need to head over to the payments. And once you click on that, scroll down and you can see right here that the UPI QR code is now added right here. So you just need to head over and then enable this. Once you have enabled this will load in order to enable. And then once it's been enabled, you need to head over and then just try to set it up. So from in there, click on this finish setup right here in order to finish the setup of the UPI QR code. So just head over and then just try to set it up according to your liking. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.